Bangkok has a deserved reputation as a great place to pick up a bargain. With many street stalls, marketplaces and shopping malls, you should be able to find your treasured gift here with no problem at all. But you need to beware. Are your goods real or are they fake? It can be a bit confusing with so much to buy, and for most tourists and travellers there is very little in the way of consumer protection. But fake or counterfeit goods also have a negative impact on the market, not only for end users, but for manufacturers as well. Tilleke Gibbins is a leading Southeast Asian law firm that has plenty of experience in dealing with intellectual property rights. I dropped by their Bangkok Museum of Counterfeit Goods, and one of their top lawyers was kind enough to speak with me.
We are a full service law firm. We have been established since 1890, and since we represent a lot of clients with respect to intellectual property, and from registration work, consultation, licensing, and infringement. So many of our clients ask us about the problems that they face in Thailand for the products that coming with similar brands or similar design. So when we receive the sample of the products from clients for the counterfeit products and the genuine products to be compared, all these products are from the real case. We keep it in the box, in the cupboard, in the warehouse. So when the numbers of these samples are getting increased, our Chief Value Officer, Mr. David Lyman, has an idea that why don't we just put it all together and select all the good conditions of the products to be displayed as a museum for educational purpose for the people who would be interested in intellectual property. Copyright is actually only one type of intellectual property law. Intellectual property system comprises of trademark, copyright, and patent. Trademark would involve brand, logo, as you know. Copyright would be music, computer program, or movie. Patent would be design and invention. So all of the products that we have in the museum would be from the case, from our investigation. And the number of the products in the museum would, at the moment, would be about 700 items being on display, and with total collection of more than 4,000 pieces in our total collection.
What effect does this actually have on the companies?
I would have to emphasize that intellectual property infringement is not a victimless crime. Once you buy the counterfeit products, it definitely affects the original creator or the original inventor of such products. So intellectual property always involved with the intelligence of the mind. People would always want to use the new technology. People always want to use the new, to listen to the new music or watch a new movie. But all of this work would always come with the inspiration of the creator. So if you go to Pat Pong, if you go to Batu Nam, you see the counterfeit products, you see the pirate CD, and you buy it without knowing that or without realizing that this would affect the inspiration of the original creator. So if you keep buying this, the numbers of the number of the counterfeit products could be increased, and at the same time, this would definitely affect the inspiration or motivation of the inventors or creator of this type of intellectual property works.
It is always a case of caveat emptor or buyer beware, but armed with a little bit of knowledge, all should turn out well.